In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drop shadow to images on Squarespace. This is a simple way to give your images more depth and make them stand out on the page without needing any custom code. We'll be using a shape block placed behind the image to create the shadow effect, and once you know where the controls are, the process is very quick. Start by opening the page section where your image is located, then click Add Block. In the block search, type shape and select the shape block from the results. This block will act as the base for your shadow, so once it appears on the page, drag it directly over the image area. Now, position the shape so it sits on top of the image and make sure the shape matches the image size as closely as possible. This part matters because if the shape is too large or too small, the shadow won't look natural. Take a moment here to line up the edges so the final effect feels clean and intentional. Once the shape is in place, click the pencil icon on the shape to open the editing settings. Inside the shape settings, find the drop shadow option and turn it on. As soon as you enable it, you'll start to see the effect appear. And from here, you can customize how soft or dramatic you want the shadow to look. Next, click on the shadow color and change it to black. Black is usually the best choice for a realistic shadow because it gives you a clean, neutral effect that works well with most images and page designs. After that, click Blur to access the softness settings for the shadow. Now, adjust both the distance slider and the blur slider. The distance controls how far the shadow appears from the image, while the blur controls how soft and spread out it looks. A smaller distance with a moderate blur usually creates a subtle, professional effect, while higher settings can make the shadow more noticeable. The best setting depends on your design, so make small adjustments until it looks right on the page. When you're happy with the shadow, click the shape block again to select it. Then choose Move Backward so the shape goes behind the image. This is the final step that makes the effect work properly, because the image stays visible in front while the drop shadow remains behind it. And that's it. You've now added a drop shadow to an image on Squarespace using a shape block. If you want the best results, keep the shadow subtle and make sure the shape stays aligned with the image for a polished final look.